Making positive comments on food.
What a wonderful dinner.
Thank you. I am glad that you are enjoying it.
Where did you get your fantastic recipes?
I grew up cooking. My mother shared her recipes with me.
I actually like the wonderful chicken dish.
That is a special coconut ginger chicken with rice dish.
Is the shrimp in the soup?
Yes. Do you like it? I added a little extra lemongrass and some sea vegetables.
I'm happy that the wine I brought for you works well with this meal.
Yes. Thank you for bringing the wine. It really complements the meal. Making negative comments on food. George. How is your chicken?
My chicken tastes all right, but it is pretty dry. How is your fish?
My fish is pretty dry too.
It's almost as if this food has been sitting a little too long. It doesn't seem fresh.
Yes. It seems that way to me also.
How are your vegetables?
My vegetables are very soggy.
Mine are the same way. It seems like they've been overcooked. I don't usually complain, but I think that we should mention this to the waiter.
I agree. Maybe they can bring us some better food. Good tips for good service. Do you want some dessert?
No thanks. We just need our check. Have you seen the waitress? The service here has been really great. Don't you think?
Yes. The service was quite good.
So, let's look at the check. The total is $36. How much do you think we should leave for a tip?
Usually people leave 15%. But this was exceptional service. I am thinking that maybe 20%.
I agree that 20% would be just about right.
Okay. So that will bring her tip to $7.20. Add it to the $36 and the total is $43.20.
Yes. What a nice dinner that was.
We'll have to make sure to come back here again real soon. Little tips for bad service. Do you want some dessert?
No thanks. We just need our check. Have you seen the waitress? Where is our waitress anyway?
Yes. The service hasn't been the best. Is that our waitress over there?
I'll walk over and get the bill, since I don't think the waitress is coming over here anytime soon.
Good idea. Just bring it back and we'll figure it out together.
So the bill is $36. How much do you think we should leave for a tip?
My first inclination is to leave nothing for a tip.
I agree. But we don't really know the whole story. There may have been problems in the kitchen. Let's leave 10%, so that we at least leave something for the service.
I agree. We will leave $3.60 for the tip. Talking positively about the restaurant.
So, how did you like the restaurant?
I thought that it was very good. I felt the food was excellent.
What did you like the best?
I liked the fish the best.
I liked the fish also. But I really enjoyed the dessert the most.
Yes. The macadamia cakes were wonderful. Wasn't the service top-notch?
Yes. The waiter was very attentive.
I hope to be able to come back to this restaurant soon. Talking negatively about the restaurant.
So how did you like the restaurant?
Actually, it could have been better.
What didn't you like about it?
It is a new restaurant. I don't think they have their act together yet.
What did you think about the food?
I felt that the food was pretty mediocre.
The service wasn't that great either.
I agree. The service was not good.
Do you think that you want to try this restaurant another time?
No. I think that I've had enough of this restaurant.